find my case against my opposers. Fight against those who fight against me. Take up your buckler and large shield, and rise up to my defense. Lift up your spear and battle against my pursuers. Say to me, I am your salvation. May those who are hunting for my life be put to shame and humiliated. May those who are plotting to destroy me retreat in disgrace. May they become like chaff in the wind. May Jehovah angels.
She was proving stubborn now, so I had to show her.
Well,
you know now.
I trust you now, eh? It's only someone who doesn't know you that calls you Obele.
Hey.
I know what you can do.
Hey.
Eh?
Moi. Obele.
One name why?
Me. Hey.
Too much. I know you well.
I don't take nonsense.
Don't mind that. Next time you want to beat him well. If anything happens. Edu. So, anytime, just kill them. Call me, I will come.
Edo, you're not the one I'm talking to.
What is the problem? What is the problem, my friend? What is the problem? Eh? Listen, I don't want you to be coming to this place again. This will be the last time you come to this place to look for me.
What is
Hey, do we look alike? Boroji, don't come to this house next time or I'll just deal with you.
Edo, it's me.
Listen. It's okay now, Emeka. As you can see, there's no problem. So be cool. Leave our house.
Hey. Would you shut up that your dirty mouth? What's your problem?
I wasn't talking to you.
Have you forgotten Emeka is our brother? Eh?
Which brother are you talking about? Eh? Which brother are you talking about? Which brother? Do we look alike? Eh? Boroji, do we look alike? Listen, you are the problem in this house. You're calling Emeka your brother. Anyway, you are a problem in this house. I will not
go now, go!
You can see the both of them are not okay. So come to your house later.
Leave our house.
Don't ever come back to this place.
Bye bye. We'll come to your house later. Oh. What is wrong with you? Anytime you do that again, I'll make sure I twist that so much.
You are a problem in this house. You are our problem in this house. But I know how to handle you.
If not that you're my elder brother, I would have known what to do to you now.
Are you talking to me in that manner?
That's what happened. You need to see how this guy acted on me. Chinedu. So you mean Chinedu asked you to leave the house? Okay, I think I'm lying. Fine. When you see him, just ask him. This is strange and serious. And it's becoming something else.
In my head now. What happened between you and
Wale.
your friend James told me?
Ah.
What?
Well, I went to the house this afternoon. I met Amarachi and Linda. I greeted him as like we used to. He showed me. And even Linda asked me to leave the house.
Why now?
But Amarachi was busy because begging them to begging them. As long as I was so confused.
Linda of all
Linda asked me to leave the house. Even as she was looking me in the eye, telling me, what am I doing? Even called me a short man.
Kind of nonsense.
No. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Did they have time in here for you to answer the whole call of Kodo the one?
What are you saying? That you will give up the land which you inherited from your father? You are all their birthright and you are only inheritors to your younger brother. For the sake of peace, I ask you, what kind of peace are you talking about?
Ask him.
Aina, are you sure you are in your right senses?
Ask him.
Are you sure? Eh?
My elders, I very much appreciate your concern over this issue. You all mean well for me. But I have decided to say this piece with my I will let him have the land.
Hey!
Oh, Ibian.
Eyinya, are you sure you are aware of what you are about to do? What kind of peace is this? Hey! Hello!
Wait. Why don't you people allow Enyimia with the good decision he has taken?
Wait,
Enyimia have decided to give his younger brother the piece of land. Just for peace to reign. Enyimia, this is a nice decision. A nice decision.
Hey! Naiko. Cheko.
Don't call me. Don't call me.
The land in question still belongs to me.
Bam! Ibian.
Even if I want to give it to my younger brother, it is still my land.
Get. Hello.
Your husband at the village square. You go out.
My husband!
No, she don't know.
Where? My elders! Where's my husband? Eh? Where's my husband? Where's my husband? Hey! How can it be far? What happened to my husband? What? Papa, wake up! Papa, please!
My wife.
What happened to you? Because
Now guess what I just saw? I just saw Oluchi and Emeka working on that same farmland. You want them not to step their feet on.
What are you talking about?
Papa, I'm serious, so I'm not joking, Papa.
Is that so?
Papa, I'm not joking, Papa. I'm not joking.
It's okay. I know what to do.
Papa, you have to do something.
I know what to do.
Yes, you have to do something.
Why?
Yes, now. Papa, you have to do something. You have to do something.
My elders, good evening. Since my husband died, my husband's brother, Ekenta, has not allowed us to farm in any of the lands. He has refused us farming on our lands. And I and my children are going to farm.
Ekenta, is that true? What's the meaning of that?
Father, please help us.
No, allow your mother to finish. Your mother is talking. Ekenta, is that true?
Good. Since my brother died, I did not allow anybody to farm on that land. Reason, I just want that land to be. Much more later, we shall decide on what to do with that land.
How much later? How much later, Ekenta? How much later?
Hey! Makagini, why? Why?
You see, my elders, you people should calm down. Have you people forgotten that that land we are not talking about belongs to Ekenta?
Itesi?
Relax. Wait, I have not finished. All of us are here when Enyimia decided from his heart to hand over the land to Ekenta for peace to reign.
Itesi!
Are you not here? You are shouting my name. Why are you shouting my name?
Itesi! Hey!
Have you seen it?
I said it.
We want him in here.
I said it.
We asked him where he was heading to. Have you seen it? See, he now brought these children and kept halfway stranded.
Itesi. Itesi.
What is it?
Have you also forgotten that Eyinia has a male child?
Okay.
In Emeka?
Okay.
Is he not enough to be a male child?
It's now I begin to understand where you are coming from. Ichie, let me tell you one thing. We are talking about the living, not the dead.
The dead has a seed.
Huh? Are you referring this boy standing here, Emeka, as one that's supposed to take over the land, which have been handed over to Ekenta?
Hey.
I begin to suspect.
Hey.
Be careful.
Wait. I've said it.
Hey!
I've said it. We have one enemy.
Yes!
That is happening.
Itesi! Itesi!
Will you stop shouting my name?
So, are you now saying that this boy, Emeka, cannot inherit his father's property? Is he not man enough to inherit his father's property?
When I look at you, I don't understand. If you don't have anything to say right here, get out. Listen, when I hear your voice, you don't curse me.
I said
get out.
What has come over you? Take it.
It's here. Ekuma, she got out.
Already my mother was the working. The master don't give back to my child.
I knew you were up to something. You, Ekenta. Okay. Whatever you are judging, you carry it on your head.
If I cannot carry it, I will drop it. Get out!
Is it better that he keeps the empty land for bringing me out? Akagamunu. Bah!
In fact, carry back.
No matter go be the one. I want you to go and take the life of Informer. I want her to die now. Go!
Okay, Mama. I'll be back very soon. Eh? Take care of my house. Look after your sister. Have food in the front of the fish. I'll be back soon. Mama? 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 Hey! Mama? 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 Hey, Chineke. Mama! 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 Mama, wait! Mama, stop now! Mama, please wake up! Mama, please wake up! Mama, wake up! Mama, please wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Mama, please wake up! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Wake up! Somebody help me! Mama, wake up! Mama, Mama! Hey, Mama!
And a very memorable and sorrowful one. But we just have to learn to know that one with God is majority, and only He can give us peace of mind. Okay?
Marachi, thank you very much for your concern. I really bless you. Indeed, your sister. I just lost my father recently. And now my mother. Mama! I believe something is behind it.
What have we done to deserve all this? What have we done? Stop crying. They are gone. They will go back again.
One more.
What is it?
Let me look for them to phone me. Please. Please, ma, thank you, please.
What? I don't understand. Did you do anything that requires forgiveness?
Don't know.
Oh, the Kwanumo. Please, you can go. When your uncle comes back, you can come and say whatever you want. I don't understand.
Just forgive us.
Leave the compound. Here.
Please now.
Please. I don't understand what you are saying. If your uncle comes back, you can come and tell him anything. I don't know anything.
Please now.
Please, leave the compound. Auntie, please now. You've not started. Auntie, please now. Go and call your mother informer.
I call upon you. Wherever Emeka, Ini is. Let him run mad. Emeka, run mad. Emeka, run mad. Run mad.
Emeka, like I said before, everything is going to be alright, okay? By the special grace of God. Thank you.
Brother James, thank you for everything you've done for us.
My dear,
thank you very much.
It's nothing.
asking me? Are you okay? Are you asking me? Are you asking me? Emeka, you slapped me. Hmm? Me? I slapped you. You are still asking me I slapped you. Again? I will. What for me now? Emeka. I will call the police for you now. Emeka. I hope to be arrested. Emeka, come back. Emeka. Here to discuss a very important issue. We all know that this young girl, Oluchi, has been suffering. She's been going through a very traumatic period of her life. And surprisingly, I, Jieguma, have never witnessed this kind of thing happen in our community. Hey. It has never happened.
My brother, I'm scared. I don't know what is happening. The whole thing is surprising me.
The worst thing is that this thing is happening in the family of Ini Edo.
God is the one punishing them with their daughter.
Shut up, woman! Shut your mouth! What do you know about culture? What do you know about God? You just open your mouth, running like the sentry.
Relax. Calm down. Let her speak for herself. Light and darkness have no any relationship. Let her speak for herself.
It is okay. We are here to solve this problem, not escalate it. As you can see, this girl is very young to be alone. She needed somebody to nurture her. So I advise you take her into your house because she's too young.
Yes, I think I will support your idea. We all know that this girl is very, very young. Ekenta, please, knowing fully well that she's your only brother's daughter. The only surviving daughter. Please.
No problem. She is also my own daughter. It's my daughter. My own blood. I will take care of her.
Obioma, what is your take?
My husband has said it. She's also my daughter.
I hope that's really from your heart.
I even pity her.
I hope it's from your mind.
No, it's going to be. Huh?
Baby, I love you.
I love you too.
So can you prove your love to me now?
Sweetheart, not today now. Let's make it next time, please.
See, listen, whatever it will take, I'm equal to the task. I will pay for them.
Sweetheart, please now.
Okay, if you want to leave, fine, leave. After all I've done for you. Listen, if you leave here, don't you ever come to me again.
Why are you talking like this now? Okay then. Let's go inside. But see, you have to be fast though. And promise me you'll take it easy with me.
I will. But you know I don't like this fast thing.
Biko, let's go in.
I told you I will beat you this time around.
Oluchi, this compound is still untidy, and you're here playing the door. Eh? We don't get inside and bring broom and sweep them.
What do you mean? Mama, now let's get done with this now, so we'll sweep it together.
I've been warning you. I've been warning you. One day I will use super glue and glue this to your mouth.
Man, clear everything.
And
How much? Come here. How much? Where are you going to?
Don't mind her. Sweep it, witch. Look for a very big chain. Sweep it there, witch. Sweep it there. Oh, wait, I'm coming.
Come, Oluchi. Oluchi, which means you've not done anything since morning. All the pots are empty. Eh? Oluchi,
I'll fish.
will you sweep this compound quick? Go and use a set pot and yes, self-fill right. Go and take a bucket and fill all the pots with water. Did I make myself clear?
Oh yeah, sweep it.
Yes, it serves her right.
Sweep it.
What is it?
Ayala.
Whether you like them or you don't like them. I like
Am I the one mad or you?
You call me a madman.
You are a madman.
You call me a madman.
Yes, you are a madman.
You call me a madman.
I will continue to advise you as a man. Don't allow men to deceive you. They have very sweet food.
Mama!
What is it?
Mother, what happened? What is it?
Mama, is he not that foolish boy that the sister made mad? I saw him on my way coming back, and he called me a madman. I told him that he's the one that is mad, and he started pursuing me.
Well, let's thunder strike him down there.
Amen.
He should go and call his dead mother a mad woman.
Come on now. How can a mad man call my clean and fresh brother a mad boy? But
I wonder.
Him, he's the one that is mad.
Mama, next time he tries this, I'm going to hunt him. Oh.
Yes. No, sorry,
but I don't mind him. Go and rest. Don't mind him. He's just a mad man. Mama, people sit down. Don't mind him.
It's okay. Stop crying. Everything will be fine, okay? Just allow people to say anything they want to. Okay? Stop crying. Don't make me cry.
Do you know what? That thing is working as I never expected. I'm telling you.
Not all native doctors has that quality.
Yes, you are right.
Auntie, good afternoon.
Where are you going to?
I want to go and give for Mom Ngozi the way she smells.
Oh! What I sent you this morning? You are just going now. Come on, will you run? Run, go and drop it. Which?
Imagine how she's speaking like a teacher.
Don't mind that little brat. Very soon, I will humiliate her. You will hear the news.
Papa, let's go.
Linda, are you okay?
Will you get out of my sight? You witch!
What have I done?
Linda.
Mama.
What is this?
Mama, I don't know. I don't know.
What is wrong with you?
Mama, I don't know.
And you, get out! Get out from here! Get out! Linda, what is wrong with you?
Mama, I don't know.
Do you have malaria?
Something like that. Yes. Malaria. Mama, what is it now? Mama, what is it now?
Linda, you've killed me.
Mama,
Linda,
what is it?
You want to run?
No, Mama.
Linda, you are pregnant. Hell. Linda, Mama, if you know what is good for you, go and meet the person that is responsible for this and know what to do with this thing in here. Before your father gets to know about it. Linda, you killed me. Linda, you've killed me. I'm finished. Hey!
Mama, what will I do now?
How?
Linda, Mama, what will I do?
Obioma! Obioma!
Nine, I'm coming. Hey! Lizzie, I'm finished.
What is it, my friend?
Come on, Lizzie, I don't know how to say it.
Say it anyhow.
I don't know how to say it. Oh. Linda, you have killed me. You have killed me, Linda. What did I do to deserve this from you? Do you know, Linda, my daughter? The daughter of Obioma, Linda is pregnant. Linda is pregnant, and I don't know what to tell the father if he finds her. Hey!
Is for her to find a way to get rid of that baby. If not, she will finish.
Mother, I can't do such a thing. I can't do such a thing. I've already told her to meet whoever that is responsible for that pregnancy to do whatever they want with it.
That's good. Just do a nice decision. It's very good. Hey!
No, Lizzie, look at me.
Cynthia! Cynthia!
Mama.
Let us see.
Emeka, whosoever that is responsible for this will surely pay for it.
Madwoman, your cup is filled. I'll give it. Come here. Come here.
This Oluchi's condition is giving me headache. I feel her pains. My dear, if I know what to do, I would have done it long time ago. Seems the only thing I do is just to pray to God morning, afternoon, and night, hoping one day. Ollie, Ollie, why is your face like this? Didn't you see him? What's the problem? I saw him. I also gave him food. Naija, can you imagine my brother couldn't recognize me again? Oh, Oluchi. You worry so much. I have told you that everything will be alright. Okay? Come and sit down. Come and sit down. Come. You will find out. Let's do it. Are you hungry? Smile. Smile. Did you remember that man? That's super. Someone was dancing earlier. Yes, I'll tell you when he was going to give back this we came to know if there is any way or anyhow we can help Emeka's situation.
My sisters, my hands are tied. I don't know what to do or who to go to. Even the elders are not doing anything about this situation. But I believe one day God will send a helper, or he will do his own miracle in his own way.
Hey, but James, so you mean there's nothing at all that we can do about this? Oh James, please think now, anything, please. Anything at all, please. Oh James.
Chika, if I have something to do, you will not be the one to tell me.
So how was the experience of the last time? I hope I was not too hard on you.
It was somehow, but it's okay. What
do you mean by Nsobu?
I'm pregnant. And my mom said if my dad should find out about it, he's going to kill me. As I'm talking to you right now, I'm scared. I'm scared.
It's okay. It's okay. Just come tomorrow morning. Let's see how we go about it.
Okay, thank you.
It's okay.
Mama, I'm done, oh. My stomach! My stomach! My stomach! My stomach!
Linda, what happened? Oluchi, what did you do to her? Linda, what happened? Oluchi, what did you do to my daughter? Linda, what is? It's your mother. Wake up. Linda, please don't do this to me. Oluchi, what did you do to her? Oluchi, I said it. You are a witch. But nobody believed me. Now you have proven me right. Linda, you've killed my daughter. You've killed my daughter. I said it, you are a witch. Please, it's your mother. It's your mother. Please, wake up. Don't do this to me. Wake up. Linda. What is happening? Linda, wake up.
My elders, we have to proceed. Yes. Oluchi, we want to know if you have a hand in the death of Linda.
I did not kill Linda. I only saw her walking sick and I tried to assist her when she fell down and died.
Linda, just trying to assist her, she fell down and died. Oluchi, since you don't know what you're about to face. You're about to go through an oath to swear with your life, of which, if you have a hand in the death of Linda and take this oath, you will be a dead person in the 4 market days. So, can you tell us the truth and refrain from taking this oath so that we know what to do? Can you, or will you still take the oath?
I mean, no, sir.
It is. Take this oath, place it before her. Break one collar and place it before her. Place it. If she said. And the great-grandfathers have been taken. It is deadly. It's not something to joke with. Oluchi, can you refrain and change your mind and tell us the truth so that we can know what to do and save this situation instead of dying? Take the oath. You swear. Okay, take the oath. Take the color with the oil and eat. Let's see. And first, you have to swear if you have a heart in the death of Linda and any other person, let you be a dead person within the 4 market days. But if not, let whoever killed Linda or any other one, let that person die within the 4 market days.
I have a hand in what killed Linda, or my father, or even my mother. Let me die before daybreak.
Daybreak? Daybreak?
Which? Amusu? Because of Allah do we fight you?
What? Will you help the ghost of our land? Your causes cannot be stronger than this.
Uamo, 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 uamo.
She shouldn't have died now. Huh? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oluchi, always remember that I'm still alive. I will never be alive and see you starve. Okay?
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's okay, I think I have some. Okay. Just manage this with your sister.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, Ezigbo mmadụ. Thank you. Oh, God bless you.
Thank you very much.
It's okay, madam. I will always come to see you, okay? Sorry. I think I have to leave now.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ezigbo mmadụ. Thank you. Take care.
Hey! Give me that one. Give it to me. Come on. Before thunder strikes you down.
Oh, Mama. Mama, why are you doing this now? This is not good though. I don't support bathing at all. This thing you are doing is not good at all.
And you. I've been keeping quiet on you. The day I will call this your mouth, eh?
But Mama,
but Mama, Jenny, go and call your dead mother, Mama. Hey, James. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. Come again.
Mama, this is not good though. Mama.
By the time I finished dealing with them, they will know that my name is not
My dear, you have to make some arrangement to go to Abako. Omeriko will be the one to give you some chance. Ale, Dalo, hey, Oluchi, look at how you're shining like morning star.
Thank you.
Obi, you are trying, no.
No, we thank God.
Okay, my dear, go, Obi, as I was saying before that witch comes in, you have to go to Abako to bring some chance you will use to kill Oluchi.
Yes, I will do that today. Today. If I don't meet up today, tomorrow.
There is still time. I can't do it today.
I will go to them. Anyway, I will go to them tomorrow. This girl, she must leave this house, whether she likes it or not. I am going to close the whole family. I wipe them. Chakam, chakam. They will know that I'm not doing all about.
Obiako!
Norma, my sister. What is it? So she still goes to fetch water after killing her cousin's sister. My dear, who told you that? And now are you sure?
Maybe she's even the one that killed her parents and make her brother mad.
Chioma, will you keep quiet? What is always wrong with you?
Chioma, please stop saying that. Oluchi, my friend.
Please stop crying. Everything will be alright, okay?
Oluchi, a wicked witch!
You see? Oluchi, you are a witch. Even the children of this village know that you are a witch. Oluchi, you are a witch.
No.
What?
Norma, I will take exception to this.
Is it not true? You should know it.
Oluchi, let's spread the water and leave here.
Oluchi of Linda's death. That innocent, decent poor girl.
Oh, my brother, I am surprised. We all know the family she's from. Until the 4th day. Today is the 3rd day. Let's wait and see.
Person doing here? What are you here?
I'm not mad. It's your sister, Oluchi.
Crazy na sickness, oh, she like an aliqua.
I brought food for you.
James, this life is sweet.
I didn't tell you I want Amarusha, how are you?
I'm fine.
Come. Oluchi, why are you crying?
People call her names and they make mockery of her. We're just returning from where we visited the maker, and she is hurt to see her brother in that state of condition. Sorry, what?
See, Oluchi, I'm your brother's best friend. I've told you severally, don't hesitate to come to me. Whatever thing you want, I will do it for you. Okay? See.
You said I killed Linda. How can I kill my own sister?
I know that. I know you didn't kill her. Okay? Even Amarachi here knows that also. Okay. I have some money here, yeah? Manage this 2,000 naira. I will come and see you, yeah? Collect it. Just collect it from me. Huh? Oh, I will come and see you, yeah? Abby is okay, madam. It's okay.
Have to.
Please, Amarachi, take good care of her, yeah? I have my brother. Yes.
Who is your brother? Yeah, James. Huh? What was that for? Huh? Don't you know that girl killed her parents and made her only brother mad?
See, Philip, stop saying that. That girl is innocent.
Innocent, my food. James, in case, so cha.
Okay, let's do this thing and get out of here.
It's not because you buy me this beer.
Now you go pay.
Thank you.
Woman, what brings you to Obudu?
There is problem. A very big problem. Oluchi, my brother-in-law's daughter is going to swear at the market square. Please, I want you to lay a curse on her so that when she swears, she will die. She's proving stubborn.
Proving stubborn indeed. Woman, it is done.
I can't give you. Thank you.
It is done.
Thank you. I'm so happy.
Whosoever that is responsible for Emeka's madness, it shall not be well with that person.
Amen.
No. I am still saying that whoever that is responsible for Emeka's madness, it shall not be well with that person.
Amen.
Sorry to this witch.
Please, can you shut up your mouth? How could you say such a thing to this young girl, your fellow young girl? Please.
But rumor has been going about that she killed her parents and she even killed her uncle's daughter.
Everyday rumor. Better keep your mouth shut. Look at you. Lucy.
You better collect some fresh water from the tap before it gets
to Lucy.
You stupid girl. Oh, my better mind yourself. Better mind yourself. People don't be
I know you're innocent. We all know that tomorrow you have to swear at the village square. Don't worry, I'm with you. Okay?
I'm telling you, you need to be there. I was so surprised. Hey! Oluchi, what are you doing here? Aya, will you get inside? Come, will you go inside? Come on, will you get inside? Go and fetch water for your wound. Come here, come back here, come back here. Back here. Oluchi, do you know that your mother was a witch?
Hey, Mama.
Do you know that your mother was a witch? And you too, you're a witch too. Come on, get inside. Get inside! Oh, Mama. And you, no, come back. Go inside. Go and do another thing. Let's carry a naked choco. I have both of you. This Oluchi, I will not give her chance to corrupt my children. Let me see.
The two of you. Obioma, I have told you to deal with this girl. You refused.
I did not refuse. You know, 1, 2, 3. I'm taking my time to deal with her so that people will not find out.
Okay. I hope she will not cost your life.
No, now.
Or something you will regret.
I won't regret anything.
No.
Let me see you off.
Auntie always get angry whenever I stay there. Moreover, your mom said I'm a witch. I should stay away from you.
Luchi, you're not a witch. Please, let's stay together. Please, don't feel much pain. Please.
Oluchi.
No, ma, what is it?
Hey! Oluchi, I want to ask you a question. Is it true you are a witch?
Hey!
No, ma. What?
Nolji, don't mind her, okay? You are not a witch. Alright? You'll be fine.
You see? You see? It's obvious she's a witch. She can't even talk.
Will you shut that your stupid mouth up? Down.
Oluchi,
Oluchi,
this push should be following her.
You'll be fine.
You go back. We'll talk to you later.
Oluchi! Oluchi, please now. Oluchi.
Do you know that Oluchi has a day to swear at the market square? And you know what that means? All your secrets will be revealed.
Hey, Nne, it is true. Do you know that I almost forgot? Hey, I have to do something. Oh. Yes, I have to do something. And it must be today. Since she has refused to die, have you forgotten that I'm a Twitter woman? I will make sure that I tweet her today. Hey, Nne, I forgot. Thank you very much.
Asi kwa mkancheta logi. Asi kancheta kwa logi o. Asi let me just remind you. Ngwano nnem ka di o. Kan na biko.
So what about the deal now?
Now if you finish here now, then I'll go that place where I tell you. Sure you remember?
Yeah. Okay, remember my call too.
No. I'm not gonna forget now. It's in my mind.
I trust you now. Now my man you be.
Wow. Now what to you?
Man, I have to go now.
You won't go?
Yeah.
No?
Let me go and see if those police people come to at home.
We'll finish this one packet now. I hope you don't enjoy them now because they didn't enter you.
Call me tomorrow, I'll come and join you again.
Now be saying I go buy another one now.
No. See tomorrow. Let me go and eat first.
No wala, go be. Bye-bye.
Oluchi, by the time you finish this food, you will die immediately. Oluchi, Amarachi. Okay.
Mama, this one you decided to serve up today. It's good though.
This is your mouth. Only baby, Nne, I decided to save you with my right hand. Because you're a good daughter. And you are very stubborn. That's why I'm saving you with my left hand. Say.
You like serve me with your leg, I will eat it.
Let me get this.
Let me go. will get some. Don't eat it, I'm coming.
That's only truthful now.
What's your close your mouth? I should never bring money for food in this house.
Go inside and carry your food. This is trouble. Maybe that you're looking for trouble.
My son, please come back to life. It's your mother. Nedu, open your eyes. Open your eyes, it's your mother. It's your mother, please, come back to life. Oluchi, please. Oluchi, please forgive me.
For what?
Oluchi, please forgive me. Forgive me, Oluchi. I am the one that killed your parents.
Hey!
Oluchi, please forgive me.
I'm not surprised.
Oluchi, please forgive me.
Auntie! It is evil supporter. Stop it! Evil supporter. Stop it! Look at it now.
My parents don't see you. What? Forgive me. Forgive me for all my evil deeds. I'm the one that made Emeka mad.
Hey! I'm not surprised.
Forgive me for all my evil deeds.
Evil woman!
Hey! My husband! Forgive me. You have been doing my Oluchi! Hey, where's my sister? My husband, please forgive me. You have been acting under the influence of my charm.
Hey! I'm not surprised.
Come back to life of your mother. My husband. Because of our life, forgive me. Forgive me because of our life. I made you mad.
You!
But this woman deserves to die.
You not know my mother.
Gods of our land, please find a place to hide me. Gods of our land, find a place to hide me. Gods of our land, forgive me.
The message are gonna with you.
Gods of our land,
the message are gonna with you.
Ned, wake up. Wake up. It's your mother. It's your mother. Wake up, Ned. Gods of our land, forgive me. No, please forgive me. I poisoned Oluchi's food. My son came and took the food and ate it. Took him, my son. I did that because I want Oluchi to die before the 4 Ekemake days.
Oh. I told you. I told you, look at you.
Because of Allah,
Eketa marriage Achalugo. Alu! Alu! Alu, Papa! You are not calling me. You are not calling me. Ah!
Hey! Now please get up. Get up.
Mama, why did you do this? Why? Die! Why did you do this?
Is she commanding me?
Let me see. Let me see.